Formula One is the most competitive, high-technology form of motorsport. It forces teams in a very tight and brutal innovation cycle, whereby we need to deploy innovation on a race-by-race basis. A Formula One car is made of more than 14,000 components. 80% of the car is made out of composite, and we try to produce most of the components here in Ainston. These components are then raced at more than 200 miles per hour with brutal forces and accelerations. We need to constantly improve them, make them lighter, stiffer, responding to a very tight innovation cycle.
As part of our digital manufacturing strategy, we deployed Plataine to take our composites manufacturing processes to the next level. Plataine has become an integral part of our production. It takes a huge burden off of our production teams and brings with it much bigger new levels of efficiency. Manufacturing composite parts is very complex and requires tight control on all of our processes and monitoring all of our materials. This ensures we get the highest quality part we can possibly have. It's critical for us to choose the optimal rolls and materials and to track their shelf life. With Plataine, it's automatically done for us. It means we can focus on our ultimate goal, which is to produce the best car possible and to compete at the highest level. Plataine's software solution collects data from sensors on the shop floor in production. This gives us real-time tracking and visibility of all of our assets that we use in composites manufacturing. During production, a digital thread is generated, tracing and recording the history of all the components we make, from raw material to finished part. We see the software as a digital assistant which constantly analyses our production data. This offers our operators and our managers real-time alerts and recommendations. Our manufacturing processes become more efficient and flexible. This is crucial considering the conditions we have to operate under, where there is literally no room for error. We choose our technical partners carefully to match our very high production demands. Plataine allowed us to meet our objectives, which is to always get it right first time.